Let's test. Hello, in today's video, we're going to be teaching you the basics of Python with Brentley. So think of Python. So think of the Python interpreter. So Python is interpreting language. What interpreting means, there's another program running on your computer. You have to have Python installed to run Python scripts. But there's another program running on your computer that looks for Python interpreters. Looks for a Python file. Then it tells the Python interpreter reads your code line by line and executes those things on the computer, the actions it does. So, for example, let me print hello world. This prints hello world to the console window. Tells the Python interpreter, hey, I want to print hello world here, terminal. Just still usually black box. So yeah. So Python really ain't really a programming language, because it doesn't compile into machine code like .exe. Yeah, it's to run through another program, which is an interpreter. For example, the Python interpreter. But now, for example, let's say we have a name, and our name will equal to input. What's your name? Then we will print, after we get our name, we will print hello plus name, or plus our name variable, whoever contains it. So Brentley, and see hello Brentley, that's my name. So basically, a variable in programming, it can store a value. So right now, our name variable is storing the value of input, or the value of where we get our input from. For example, if a user puts a name, it stores that into the name variable, because it equals to the input function. So now, let's say we have our first number. Our first number will equal to int. And we're going to do our user input. We're going to do our input. What's your first number? This tells the Python interpreter. So why we add int here? Int is a special number. So int can only store a whole number in programming. So it tells the input, yo, I want to only store the int. That's what it tells the Python interpreter to run. And our second number will equal to input. Wait. Equal to our input. And this time we're going to ask for, what's your second number? What's your second number? It's basically what's asking the Python interpreter. So now we can do choice equals int. Oh wait, we gotta make sure those are together. My bad. Choice equals int input. So basically how we start our prompt. Now let's give user choice. So if user puts 1, that'll be add. 2, that'll be subtract. 3, multiply. 4, we're gonna divide. Now, for example, if our choice equals to 1, then we're gonna add them together. So we're gonna create a new variable. Total equals, we're gonna add first number plus our second number together. Now if our choice equals 2, we will do this instead. Subtract those two variables. Then now, if we get our third choice, we can multiply that choice in our variable. Now if we have our choice equals 4, we can divide that. Now let's print our total. And see, let's see if it works. My first number, 10, 10. I'm going to multiply. And see, it prints 10 times 10 is 100. So now, oh wait, and by the way, I forgot. Add some colons. Colons in programming make it look like prompt instead of jammed up stuff like this, because it makes it look confusing for the user. So now, we're gonna add 10 right here, 10 right here. Then we could divide that. And see, it prints 1.0. That's strange because we have two int data types. But I want to print these. I just want to print it. So we could tell the Python interpreter, hey, I want to print a whole number. I don't want to print a decimal. So now if we do this, it makes it look a lot better. Just 1. So yeah. So now we could do 100, 1,000, 1,000, and we could subtract, and we get 0. Pretty much. But yeah, that's a simple program, a calculator program. And now, I've taught you the basic Python fundamentals, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Share this with your fellow programmer friends who are getting started in the program. This will help me a lot. And join the Discord server below. I will help you guys with your coding projects and help you understand code. And also check out my GitHub projects I have for coding. But goodbye, guys. Peace out. Hope you have a good day. I love you and I love you.